Today I am going to show you the Splashswap token in the total token tracker, like going to show you in the BSC scan as well as in the coin market cap, that how it is listed, what is the price, and what are the holders, how much the holders they are going to splash, and which exchanges it has been listed. As you can see here, the token is here in front of you guys. The price is 0.0955. So it has already been 10% up, and you can see the amount here. You can buy it on exchange, as the Binance Smart Chain BSC address is here in front of you guys. The token is here, and that will be quite nice in all aspects to you people. You can just buy it easily and exchange on something like gaming and crypto as well. So the market cap is $4,437.80, and that will quite nice. Fully diluted market cap is here in front of you, and 24-hour volume is the $169,879. So quite nice. SPL token is here. The history, the project, as the overview of overall is here in front of you guys, and that is quite nice in all aspects. And here you can see much more reliability to the project, and that's increasing day by day, and have some much more situation to the project. Splash price is this, the price change in this one. In the 24-hour, you are going to see the trading volume is here in front of you guys. The market cap of this, the Splashswap token, is here in front of you guys. That is I'm going to show you how much this one Splashswap token offers, that much of price. If you are going to buy more, then it will be amazing one as well. So quite nice in all aspects to you people as well. For example, I'm going to buy that much of the tokens, then the price is here. It's good one as well. So you are going to see the trading coins and tokens, and here I am going to show you the Splash coin token market. It is listed in the Pancakeswap, LBank, and Cointracker as well. So here the market coin market cap showing you that how you can buy it, the SPL token, and where you can change it, and how to buy these token as well. So amazing project I had ever seen so far, and that is a way that a project should be here in front of you guys, and that is amazing project as well. So the SPL token is here in front of you guys. Here you can see the BSC scan of the SPL token. Here is the contract address I am going to show you. Here you can see the copy this address and put in the Pancakeswap, Cointracker, and another one. It will be shown to you because it is available in the Cointracker, the LBank, and the Pancakeswap as well. So we are going to show the total supply, that much of the SPL, and the holders are 4K plus, which has already been told you. Here you can see, I'm going to show you, and here you can see the 4K holders. You can see there is amazing project as well. The transfers are 30,575. Contract is this, December is 18, and the official site is Splashswap. The social profiles are here in front of you guys, and that will given to you much more reliability in the future as well as in the present too. Amazing project I had ever seen, and you are going to see here as all of these in front of you. That will give you much more future, and the transfers, the holders, the exchange are here. Like these are going to show you much more reliability. The Pancakeswap pair are here. That is amazing project as well. So be a part of the Splashswap token. Here is the Twitter link of the Splashswap. You have to follow these, and that is the 19.3k followers that will given to you, and the project of trust is here in front of you. Try to follow this project. That will give you much more reliability and profit, and also much more money. Thank you for today's video. Invest in this Splashswap token. It will give you much more profit. I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourself.